Watch out, guys. Watch out, you goobers. What? Chill out. Oh, these guys are hilarious. There we go, back at the home. Oh, watch out, Harry. Holy shit. Oh, it's been a bit dusty today. Fucking working. The front yard's coming together a little bit. It's a bit of a process, and especially in the sun, oh my God. It's pretty hard to work through the middle of the day. Like, oh, it's 5 o'clock now, and I'm still sweating like this. It's worth it, but I like the country. I'm glad I can help, because this place is in dire need of some help. It's pretty hard to get tradesmen out at Condobolin, apparently. So I'll be here for the next few months fixing this flood damaged house. I'm going to do all the tidy up the yard, tidy up the garden. We've got random stuff from next door that floated over that I've got to take back. There's a lot of work here. I'm not looking forward to ripping the carpets up, but I am looking forward to doing that, because that'll be a huge transformation. I've just been fiddling around, basically throwing stuff out. Got the skip bin over there filled up already, waiting for them to come and do that. We're running out of water, so I've got the pump going. So I can't really clean or wash anything. I've got to be careful with like the water, so I can't hose the paths down or anything like that. You really got to think about all the basics when you're out here. Like, there's no water here. Like, you can't just turn water on and magic water comes. We got to get it from the creek and then pump it into the water tower, and then you got to make sure the water tower's got water in it, otherwise there's no pressure for the house. It's cool. It's awesome learning all this stuff. I sort of had a little bit of an idea when I was living down at Braidwood, Majors Creek with Runoff, but he sort of did it all, and I didn't really pay much attention, to be honest. I just smoked weed and drove the four-wheel drive. Oh, fuck. I'm going to go and wash my face and just have a cold drink and ilche for a minute, I think. Oh, thank God for air conditioning.
I'm trying hard to trust you when you say give me your hand. Baby, I'm